Namaste. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Learners, today, as per your curriculum of algebra, we are going to discuss the properties of cube roots of unity. So please write properties of cube roots of unity. Today we are going to discuss that what are the properties of cube roots of unity, and you recall please in previous class we very successfully found that what are the values of cube roots of unity, and you have seen the value of cube roots of unities are 1, minus 1, plus 1, plus root 3, iota by 2, minus 1, minus root 3 iota divided by 2. You have seen these are the three cube roots of unity. So please write P1 means properties number 1. Let us write out of 3 cube roots of unity. You see here there are 3 cube roots of unity. Out of 3 cube roots of unity, one is real and other 2 are complex conjugate to each other. Again I am repeating. Out of 3 cube roots of unity, property number 1 is out of 3 cube roots of unity, one is real and other 2 are complex conjugates. Okay, so done this property completed. If you want to write, then you can write. If you ask me that I should write, then I can write it as out of 3 cube roots of unity, one is real and other 2 are complex conjugate to each other. Means I want to say again that this one is real and these 2 roots who are complex in nature, then they are conjugate to each other. This is the meaning I have written here. And property 2, please see. The square of one conjugate square root, the square of one complex roots of unity is equal to other. So how it will be proved? You can write minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2. And you see, this will be 2 square means 4. This is a plus b whole square means a square 2a b plus b square. And this will be what? Plus minus 2 root 3 iota minus 3 divided by 4. This will be giving you what? Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 root 3 iota divided by 4. You can take 2 as common from these 2 portions. then this will be minus 1 minus 3 iota divided by 4, then this 4 will be cancelled by 2, and this will be minus 1 minus 3 iota divided by 2. So in this way you see, if you are squaring one complex root, you are finding another. Means taking a square of this, you are finding this. I hope you have written this. Next property, next part of this proof is, you have squared this and you have found this. Now we are going to square this. Minus 1 minus 3 iota divided by 2 whole square. Again this will be 4 and this will be a square minus 2a b plus b square. So this will be 1 minus minus plus 2 root 3 iota, and this will be root 3, means the square root of root 3 will be 3, and this will be what? This will be 3 iota square divided by 4, then 1 plus 2 root 3 iota, this is iota square. This will be minus 3 divided by 4, minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3 iota by 4. Again, you can take 2 common from the numerator, and this will give you what? Minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 4. This 2 will cancel this, and then you can find minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2. So what you have observed? You have observed that if you are squaring this, then you are finding this, and if you are squaring this, then you are finding this. In this way you can see that, should I delete this please? Please see. In this way, please see, very very important fact is, it means if you take minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2 is equal to omega, then what? Minus 1 minus root 3 iota divided by 2 will be treated as omega square. So this is the proof of no. Second property, first property was what? The first property was that out of 3 key roots of unity, one is real and the other 2 are complex conjugate to each other. And the second property is that the square of one complex roots of unity is equal to others. And the third property is, you know, the third property is the product of these 2 complex roots will give you this one. Means the product of 2 complex roots will give you one real root. So give its proof, it will be minus 1 plus 2 iota by 2 into minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. This will be what? This will be a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square in denominator, this will be 2 into 2, 4. And finally, this minus 1 square is equal to plus 1. Root 3 means 3. Iota square means what? It will be minus 3 minus of minus 3 divided by 4. Here is already minus, so here is minus, and this will be minus 3. So So 1 plus 3 divided by 4 means 4 by 4 is equal to 9. It means what? Please tell me, it means what? Meaning of this is that if you are taking this as, you are taking this as omega and this is you are taking this as omega square. It means omega into omega square is equal to 1. Means omega cube is equal to 1. This is one of the best result for you. Also you can write here omega is what? 1 upon omega square means one root is reverse of other, or omega square is equal to 1 upon omega. So student, the last property of q roots of unity is what? Please see. Let us write the sum of, last property means P4. Property is number 4. The sum of all these q roots of unity is 0. The sum of all these q roots of unity is 0. And how to give its proof? You can write here 1 plus minus root 3 iota divided by 2 plus this minus 1 minus root 3 iota divided by 2. Finally, the LCM will be 2. Here will be 2. This will be minus 1 plus root 3 iota minus 1 minus root 3 iota. This minus 3 iota plus 3 iota will be cancelled. This will be 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. 0 upon 2 will be equal to 0. Means what? 1. This is 1, this is omega square. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. This is the result. If you want to write this in another form, you can write it as 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square, and 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. These are the two that help you in solving so many numerical problems related to your complex number. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture. Thanks again.